Hello everyone, welcome back to English literature class. So children, yesterday we have studied the chapter Sharing is Fun and we have studied up till page number 26. So we will continue the same chapter and in a quick revision we will find out what was the chapter about. Sharing is Fun. In this Sharing is Fun, the children of class 2 are going to a picnic, and where they are going? They are going to a zoo in the bus with their teacher whose name was Mrs. Renu Sharma. Okay, there while going they are enjoying a lot, they are clapping, they are singing, they are dancing. And when they reach to the zoo, what did they see? They see tiger, birds, and peacocks and monkeys, chimpanzees, etc. So now let's see what is further in the chapter. Open your book and take a pencil in your hand and read after me. Let's move on, says the teacher. Then what does the teacher says? Let's move on. चलो अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. It is 12 o'clock. It is lunch time. It is 12 o'clock. It is lunch time. अभी 12 बज रहे हैं दिन के और अभी ये लंच टाइम हो गया है. So teacher क्या कहती है? All the children come to me and we will have a lunch. All the children are opening their lunch boxes. अभी सारे बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं? They are opening their lunch boxes. Amar has brought parathas. You will underline the word Amar. He is a boy, and what he has brought? He has brought parathas. Okay, you know paratha. You eat paratha. Your mother make it for you. Many of you bring in the tiffin also. Okay, as a lunch. Then Tinnu has brought noodles, and there is another boy whose name is Tinnu, and he has brought noodles. You will underline the word brought. Children, this is the form of bring. Bring is the present form and brought is the past form. Okay, so Tinnu has brought noodles. So you will underline the word noodles also. Rohit has brought, you will underline the word noodles. Rohit has some sandwiches and some gulab jamuns. So you will underline Rohit and sandwiches and gulab jamuns also. Okay, I think you like sandwiches. I also like. They are very tasty, isn't it? And you like noodles also. Many of you might be liking and you are insisting your mother to make it every day for you. But children, it is not a healthy food, so we should not eat it daily basis. Sometimes it is okay. Anu has brought fried rice. And what does Anu has brought? Anu has brought fried rice. Fried rice. Rice, you know, चावल भी खाते हैं ना हम लोग, चावल. So when we fry it, it becomes a fried rice. The teacher has brought a big fruit cake for the children. And teacher वो क्या लाई हैं? A big fruit cake. You will underline the word fruit cake for all the children. अभी वो क्या लाई हैं सारे बच्चों के लिए? Big fruit cake. Aren't, then what she says? Come on Akash, let's have lunch. तो आकाश को कौन बुला रहा है खाने के लिए? We are waiting for you, says Neha. तो नेहा is a girl who says, come on Akash, आकाश जल्दी आओ, हम लोग लंच करने जा रहे हैं and we are waiting for you. Aren't you hungry? The full form of aren't is are you not? Are you not? Are you not hungry? Aren't you hungry? क्या तुम भूखे नहीं हो? Come and join us. आओ हम लोगों के साथ खाना खाओ, says the teacher. Who says? Teacher says. Akash is sad. He is crying. आकाश क्या है? वो बहुत sad है. And he is crying. वो रो रहा है. क्यों रो रहा है? Let us find out. The teacher asks him, why are you crying, dear? तो teacher उससे पूछती है, why are you crying, dear? I haven't brought my lunch box. I forgot to get it. Akash says. You will underline the word forgot and its meaning is भूल जाना. Okay, not to remind, not to keep in mind that. So आकाश क्या कहता है कि मैं अपना lunch box नहीं लाया, मैं भूल गया. That's why I am crying. Okay, then we will turn the page. Oh dear, but that's no reason to cry. Oh dear, इसमें कोई रोने वाली बात नहीं है. No reason. You will underline the word reason. Come and share with us, Amar says. तो अमर क्या कहता है? Come, share with us. हम लोग बहुत सारा खाना लाएं, शेयर करो हमारे साथ. There's plenty of food for everyone. says Neha. You will underline plenty, and its का मतलब होता है theirs का मतलब होता है there is. Okay, it is a short form of there is. There is plenty of food for everyone. Plenty means enough. बहुत सारा खाना है हमारे पास, नेहा कहती है. And sharing is fun. और sharing तो बहुत fun होता है because we enjoy it and we have many things to eat, different kind of things to eat, and we find it very interesting. You can eat different kinds of food too. See here, different. ओके, डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फूड. और इस आप शेयर करने से क्या कर सकते हैं, आप डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फूड भी खा सकते हैं. ओके, सेज द टीचर. नाउ ऑल द चिल्ड्रन आर शेयरिंग देयर फूड विद आकाश. अभी सारे बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं, दे आर शेयरिंग देयर फूड विद आकाश. After lunch, all the children rest for a while. You will underline the word while. While means थोड़ी देर के लिए, for a moment. आफ्टर लंच, लंच करने के बाद थोड़ी देर के लिए वो सारे बच्चे क्या करते हैं, दे टेक रेस्ट. देन दे प्ले सम गेम्स. यू विल अंडरलाइन गेम्स. उसके बाद रेस्ट करने के बाद व्हाट दे डू प्ले सम गेम्स. लेट्स गो फॉर अ राइड ऑन द टॉय ट्रेन सेज द टीचर. तो टीचर क्या कहती है, चलो हम लोग एक टॉय ट्रेन की राइड लेते हैं. यू विल अंडरलाइन द वर्ड राइड. राइड मीन्स एक चक्कर काटते हैं हम लोग, घूमते हैं, अ ड्राइव. ओके, ऑल द चिल्ड्रन आर टेकिंग अ राइड ऑन द टॉय ट्रेन. और सारे बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं, दे आर टेकिंग अ राइड ऑन द टॉय ट्रेन. दे आर लाफिंग. यू विल अंडरलाइन द वर्ड लाफिंग, सिंगिंग एंड डांसिंग. दे आर लाफिंग, सिंगिंग एंड डांसिंग. अभी वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, वो लोग बहुत हंस रहे हैं, इंजॉय कर रहे हैं. एंड इंजॉय करने में वो लोग बहुत गाना गा रहे हैं, डांस कर रहे हैं. दे आर गिगलिंग. ओके, दे आर चेयरफुल मूड. दे आर हैविंग अ नाइस टाइम. और वो लोग बहुत ही इंजॉय कर रहे हैं. दे आर हैविंग अ गुड टाइम. इट इज़ 4 o'clock. इट इज़ टाइम टू गो होम. अभी शाम के 4 बज गए. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू गो बैक होम. चिल्ड्रेन आर यू ऑल हैप्पी आस्क्स द टीचर. तो चिल्ड्रेन आर यू ऑल हैप्पी, टीचर पूछती है. येस टीचर, दे ऑल से. बट आकाश इज सैड. डू यू नो वाई. तो टीचर से सारे बच्चे कहते हैं, येस मैम वी ऑल आर वेरी हैप्पी. लेकिन आकाश सैड है. वाई ही इज़ सैड, बिकॉज यू विल अंडरलाइन द वर्ड बिकॉज ऑल्सो. बिकॉज ऑल द फन इज़ कमिंग टू एन एंड. बिकॉज सारे मज़े अभी शाम को ख़त्म हो गए. नाउ दे आर गोइंग बैक टू देयर स्कूल एंड फ्रॉम स्कूल दे आर गोइंग बैक टू देयर होम्स. So children, this was all about sharing is fun. I think you have learned the moral of the chapter, which says we should always share, whether we have little or we have much, but we should always have a heart to share with friends, or whether we don't know anybody also, then we should also share. Make a habit of sharing. Okay, this will be a very good manner for you also. So children, you will today also read the remaining chapter. Yesterday I think you have read the 2 pages. Today also you will read the 2 pages, and whenever you get time, whenever you find it reading, you can open the book and you read the chapter. If you have any problem in pronunciation, you can see the video again and again, and you can pronounce the word clearly. See the underlined words. Make it your habit to use in the daily life. Okay, and learn the meanings also, and try to speak in English with your parents, with anyone. Okay, at least try with the basic sentences. And if you are having any problem, any query, you can comment below the video. I'll try to solve your queries. Okay, till then, take care.